Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen eggs without Mirin easy method. Start by boiling eggs 7 minutes for jammy yolks, then plunge them into ice water to stop cooking and make peeling easier. While they chill, whisk soy sauce, water, sugar, and a splash of rice vinegar or sake to mimic Mirin, then marinate peeled eggs for at least 3 hours, ideally overnight, for deep flavor. Begin with room temperature eggs to minimize cracking, then simmer gently and time 7 minutes for jammy yolks that set, but remain creamy. Shock eggs in an ice bath for at least 5 minutes to halt cooking and simplify peeling. Combine equal parts soy and water, add 1 to 2 teaspoons sugar per cup, and a splash of rice vinegar or sake as a Mirin substitute, then submerge peeled eggs and chill to infuse flavor. If you prefer a sweeter ramen egg, increase sugar a little at a time and taste, aiming for a balanced savory-sweet profile that mirrors Mirin. Toss in smashed garlic, sliced ginger, or scallion pieces to the marinade for extra aroma and complexity, and try a splash of sesame oil for richness. Keep marinated eggs refrigerated in an airtight container and enjoy them within 3 days for ideal texture and safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.